Welcome everyone. In today's session, we'll explore the latest evolution of pharmacovigilance, that is, Agentic AI. Agentic AI represents the next stage in signal detection and management. It is self-directed, that is, it detects input data and acts autonomously. The key benefits of using Agentic AI in signal management are increased efficacy by discovery of hidden signal insights, automation of disproportionality analysis, annotation, and AI-generated narrative summaries, and minimizing manual configurations. Current signal management systems are constrained by static rules and human bandwidth. Some other additional challenges are signal detection criteria needs to be predefined. Signal detection remains a very human intensive activity. Extensive customer specific customizations are required, and there is no automated pattern identification. In today's demo, we will walk through the following three stages. First is detect drug event combination and corresponding disproportionality metrics. Then we will identify natural case grouping. And finally, and most important part would be the AI analytics. That is to provide annotation, evaluation, and next steps automatically. For this, we will be using the LLM Llama 3.1 8B instruct model. Now, with this, let's move on to the demo. This is my input file. This is the FDA quarterly data extract downloaded from the FDA website. As we see, there are hundreds of R2 XMLs in this file. I will now place this file into the input folder. Immediately, the Agentic AI has initiated its activity of creating drug event pairs. It has analyzed hundreds of XMLs and in matter of seconds has created this drug event combination list. In addition to drug and events, it has also extracted other information like seriousness, reaction outcome, age, rechallenge, DME, etc. Now let's look at the stage 1. Stage 1 is in progress now. Of all the drugs in the input file, the top 5 drugs have been selected for analysis. Let's open the remicide. The selection is autonomously performed by the AI, and the rationale for this choice is clearly explained here. All the events associated with this remicide drug are listed here. The relevant metrics are also calculated for each remicide drug and event pair. The metrics like PRR, ROR, G-square, EBGM, EB05, etc. This now completes stage 1. Let's now open pattern analysis report as part of our stage 2. This is the crux of our demo. The key feature column here highlights the patterns based on patient characteristics and clinical attributes that are of interest from signal detection perspective. There is, of course, the AI explainability for all of this as to why that particular key feature column was created. Now let's move to the third and final stage, that is the AI analytics. Now, let's look at the event here. The statistical strength is clearly given. The next step, the signal annotation, annotation evaluation, and annotation outcomes are clearly identified here. In this particular case, it says keep under review. It tells us clearly as a part of its annotation evaluation that this event demonstrated a significant increase in the disproportionality score. It should be noted here that all the relevant metrics are documented and listed here. Also, the outcome of this particular event is given here. This is of interest here. The event is Ketra and it has given signal annotation as no action because the event term is listed. It's to be noted that the only input that I provided to this agentic AI was the quarterly data extract. However, it has understood for this particular event enter combination, it is listed and hence the signal annotation is no action. There is of course the AI methodology that explains how this was achieved. As we have seen in this demo, Agentic AI brings automation, intelligence, and explainability together in one unified signal management pipeline. This empowers safety teams to focus on interpretation and not manual tasks, making signal management